Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best meal prep container. Here are the top 3 meal prep container that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Freshware meal prep containers. This 21-pack of bento boxes features 3 compartments in one container, and each meal container can store up to 24 ounces. The food storage containers with portion control aids in preparing a diet-oriented food plan for effective weight management. A versatile equipment, this product is microwave, dishwasher and freezer safe, having the ability to withstand temperatures from -40 OC to 120 OC. The containers are easily replaceable and refundable in case of any defect in it. It is perfect to use as a lunchbox, meal box, and referred by most fitness experts as a meal carrying instrument. At number 2. Glass meal prep containers. This 3-compartment container augments 3 glasses, 3 lids and 3 utensil sets, knife, cross and spoon, providing a ready-to-dine table. These borosilicate glass storage containers are BPA-free, which maintains the freshness and reduces odor during food storage. These lids are not oven and microwave safe and needs to be removed before heating or cooking any cuisine. This container is good for dry foods and possesses liquid storage capabilities. The snap locking system forms a watertight and airtight seal with no risk of spillage and unhygienic conditions. At number 1. Easy Prepa 3-compartment meal prep container. These bento boxes comes in 20-pack of durable containers with lid coverings to prepare healthy meal plans and outdoor activities. These boxes can convenient to carry along for trips like camping, hiking or picnics. A durable equipment, Easy Prepa containers are microwave and dishwasher safe, making them efficient in hot and dry conditions. The container is environmentally friendly as it is made from BPA-free plastic material that is safe to use. These boxes reusable, affordable and easily nestable, which can be space and time efficient. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.